Hi, I'm Shweta from Xplorabox. Let's see what exciting activities we've lined up for your child in this month's box. This month's theme is Dino Fun. There are 5 amazing activities in the box: Dino Logic, Dinosaur Maker, Dino Era Bookmarks, Jumping Monkey, and Educational Activity Maths. The first activity is Dino Logic. In this amazing logical reasoning game, your child will solve different puzzles to get the correct pattern of dinosaurs. This activity will improve their problem solving and observational skills. The second activity is Dinosaur Maker. In this fun activity, your child will assemble different parts to create 3 beautiful dinosaurs that they can showcase on the shelf. This activity will improve their fine motor skills and creative skills. Third activity is Dino Era Bookmarks. Children love bookmarks. Here we have provided 2 beautiful bookmarks which your child can use in your books and treasure for a long time. Fourth activity is Jumping Monkey. In this super fun activity, your child will assemble a wooden tree and monkey thrower. Then they will play the exciting game that will keep them engaged for days. This activity will improve their fine motor skills and play and social skills. Fifth activity is Educational Activity Maths. There are write and vibe activity maths with 8 engaging activities that will keep your child engaged for a long time. This activity will improve their fine motor skills, cognitive skills and academic skills. You will also receive 20 downloadable worksheets via mail every month. If you have not taken your Xplorabox subscription, then take it now and give your child a gift of fun and learning that will make them smarter and sharper.